Yes, today I am going to demonstrate on the program number 15. That is demonstrate use the external input to toggle the LED on and off. Means that particular bit should be a like blinking and turn off. Means clicking and on and off. Okay. See that we call it as a toggle on LED. Okay. See, first of all, we want to know about the what is the external interrupt or what is the interrupt here. The interrupt is nothing but we can able to execute more than one task with the different interval time. Okay, I am going to repeat. The interrupt is nothing but it is going to able to execute the more than one task with the different interval time. That we call it as a interrupt. Okay, this interrupt we supposed to call it as a internal input or external input. Okay, like here you look at this diagram. So this is what the interrupt diagram. Okay, like here basically like we are going to taken as the it is going to display, well basically it is going to display the two things. One is LCD. Okay, LCD means this for the display, that is nothing but it is going to display the value from 0 to 9. Okay, in the subtask, okay, this is what the our LED. Okay, with the help of our interrupt service, okay, it is going to blinking the particular bit. Okay, on and off. Okay, suppose I want to I want to display, or I want to blink the value of 5. Okay, so that respective fifth value it is going to show the toggling. Means it is going to on and off only the respective bit. So okay, see this is what they have shown in this diagram. Okay, this is what the kit. Okay, we supposed to use that LED kit. Okay, with the help of our interrupt service routine, we are going to generated our LED, like LED blinking. Okay, then before that, I am going to talk about the what is the pin connection about this LPC 2148. Here, yeah, before that, here I'm basically we are using four types of external interrupt, that is interrupt 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these all are the four types of external interrupt. Here we have to configure the P07. See, this is the P07. Okay, we have to configure the P07 as a external input. Means the port 0 pin number 7 we are going to use as the external interrupt when we give the 3.3 power supply. Okay, when we give the 3.3 voltage power supply into the that port, now that into that external interrupt, it is going to generate the output that particular bit. Okay, or which we expected the value of that particular bit, it is going to blinking the on and off. Okay, when the port 0 pin number 7 we are going to make it as a high, then only it is going to display. Okay, this is the very important here, this port 0 pin number 7. Okay, to generate the output. Then along with that, okay, it is going to enable then the display is falling edge, that is high to low, with the help of switches. See, with the help of switches, this is what switch, it is going to display the edge, that is falling edge, that is high to low. Means it is going to display the output from on and off. Means high and low. High is nothing but on, off is nothing but low. Okay, like that we are going to divide, or we are going to design the a diagram. Based on that, I am we are going to writing the program. See here, I am going to use for the two interface, two header files, that is hash include LPC21 4.h and string.h. The LPC214.h, okay, it is nothing but it is going to store the our address of the LPC2148 address, means our ARM controller board address, that should be a LPC2148. Okay, that it is going to store in the our header file. Not only that, it is going to store all the input value and port address, as well as the pin selections and what and all we supposed to like pass the message or display on the content, everything it is going to stored on this to header file. Okay, the string is nothing but we need to display any any character or any special characters or something or message, it is going to store this string dot h. Okay, hash include string dot h. The next I'm going to use for the void external one and void delay, means I am going to declaring the function that is a void external and void delay function. Okay, here the control starts from int main function. In this main function, I am going to setting the, or I am going to using the three alternative functions, that is pin selection 0, pin selection 1 and pin selection 2. Okay, the pin selection 0, here I am going to use the port 0 at port 0 GPI slow interface. In that port 0 pin number 3 to pin number 7, okay, I am going to consider as a external interrupt 1 and interrupt 2, means external interrupt 1 and external interrupt 2 respectively. The same thing, the pin selection 1 means I am going to selecting the alternative function from the pin selection 1, that is all the value should be a negative, means I am not making any value here. Okay, here I am using the port 0, pin number 16 to pin number 20 has the external interrupt 0 and external input 3, means like I have told right beginning, I am going to use 4 external interrupts. Okay, that external interrupt 1 and 2 respectively I am going to use the pin number selection 0. Okay, then port 0 pin number 3 and 7. Then port 0 pin number 16 and pin number 20 I am going to use as the external interrupt 0 and external interrupt 3 respectively. Here I am not making any value high. I am not making any value high. Okay, so all the value should be a low. Only pin number selection pin number selection 0, that is 12th. Okay, means 1100. Okay, that respective bit only I am making as a I to display the respective value onto the our LPC board. So I need the value of C, so that I am going to making as these value respective bit has the height. Okay, then along with that, here I am using the vector interrupt. The vector interrupt, okay, basically it should be a 0 and one more internal vector interrupt I am going to internally making as the all the bit pattern, it should be a high, means all the 32 bit pattern I am going to making as a high. Why? Because if it is high all the internal bit pattern, then only for external bit pattern it is going to access the particular data onto the ARM controller board. Okay, then you move on to the this thing initialization, the external interrupt part, that is, see here, I am going to use the while function, that is, here I am not passing any error, means there is no any error inside the while loop. Okay, the while loop condition always true. I am repeating, the while loop condition always true. Okay, there is no any error inside the while loop until that condition get success. Okay, then here 8 LEDs make it all or on and off, or that should be a toggling. Okay, the infinite loop happening inside the interrupt button, that is port 0 pin number 7. Okay, when it become enable. Okay, then the vector interrupt 0, that is nothing but here I am showing here, that is for loop I is equal to means 1, the left shift operation 16 times, means I am going to setting the bit position is 0. Why? Because there is no any error in that. Means when the condition will be success, it is going to left shifting in the 16 times in that particular bit pattern. See, finally it is going to display the